Hello everyone, welcome to my first video of 2019. I would like to start by apologising for the lack of content. This is my first video. I'm only just going to be able to produce one at the very end of January, and I know my last one was about 5-6 weeks ago, so it has been a long time, so I really apologise for that, and I wanted to say that straight away. I do appreciate everyone who does support me and is still subscribed to my channel. Really appreciate that. The reason for the lack of content for this time period, it's kind of been, I think I just sort of hit a bit of a wall. Even though the channel has progressed and I have had fairly decent subscribers and supporters, it was still quite slow, and I feel like I just sort of thought, right, the channel's hit a bit of a brick wall. It got me a little bit down. Even though I probably shouldn't be, maybe I'm just being just a bit stupid and over the top. Whereas I should be very glad with how things are progressing as they are. But the channel has been 2 years, still only sort of 1,500 subscribers. I was really hoping maybe a little bit more by now. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much about that because it sounds all a bit doomy and gloomy and depressing. So, and I don't want it to be a negative video because it's the start of the year, and I've got my new drone, so I'm really hoping, that I can produce some amazing videos. I did 2 with the new drone at the end of last year, which seemed to go down really well, and I'm glad a lot of people seem to like them. So it snowed, as I'm sure you can see. It snowed quite a lot in Britain this week. We got a lot sort of where I live up north, near sort of the outskirts of Manchester and Derbyshire last night. So straight away I thought I can't not get this opportunity to make a video of the local area, both sort of where I live and near where I work in New Mills, because the scenery is fantastic, and so close to home. It would be stupid of me and irresponsible of me not to make a video for everyone, and I hope you all do enjoy it. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy. There is a waterfall just here down at the Tors in New Mills. It's a really nice place. A lot of the snow has disappeared because I'm just on the way home. I couldn't drive in. It was really unsafe to do so, so I was actually able to get a train, which is some surprise because in Britain a lot of the trains are usually out of order. Or closed because there's one leaf on the ground, but even with the thick snow I was able to get in, so it was really good. It gave me the opportunity to get the drone out and produce a video. I think I've caught some really nice footage, a couple of new little shots, which haven't done before, sort of New Mills in the area, and it just looks beautiful in the snow. It's really nice. I love how it highlights everything, and everything has a very black and white sort of look and feel about it. So without further ado, we should probably get on with the video. I'm on my way home as I was saying, but I'm going to sort of look at editing it, and hopefully I've got something really good to show you, and thanks again for all the support. So before I show the video, as always, if you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe for all future videos and supporting my channel. And share the video if you think of anyone who might enjoy it, especially if they live in this area. I'm sure they really appreciate to see sort of the bird's eye aerial view that you can get with the drone of the area. It is amazing. Please like the video if you do like it, dislike if you don't like it, I don't mind, comment below, whatever, but I do really appreciate any support, as always. Thanks to everyone again for watching, and hopefully I'll see more of you again soon. Bye.